Okay, welcome back, guys. I'm wearing a Christmas hat, which means that Q4 is upon us. And in today's video, I'm going to show you 7 unique digital products that can make you a lot of money in this Q4 period. And the best news, all of them can be made with AI, and they can all be sold on Etsy, which I've personally used to make some pretty good revenues on over the last few years through multiple different businesses. Okay, so that's enough of that. Let's get into the video with the first product, and that is going to be Christmas themed clip art. And so clip art does hold a special place in my heart because I do have a store selling clip art myself. But guys, Christmas clip art in particular, it's one of them ones that will just always do well on Etsy because there's a ton of bestseller clip art on the platform already, to be honest. And guys, I'm recording this in August, by the way, and some of this clip art is already easily making well over $400 a month profit from just one single clip art listing. Again, in August, guys. And guys, if you wanted to make some clip art yourself for Christmas, just like this popular bestseller style, then what I'll do is I'll put prompts on screen that you can just copy and use, and then just feel free to adjust them to get your desired results. And then here is also the exact prompt being used in KITTL, which, as you can see, guys, it's a pretty high quality illustration for that style of artwork. But we're going to move on fast here, guys. I want to get through the whole list quickly. So next up is going to be festive wall art. So festive wall art is always going to be great around that Q4 period because it's very quick and easy to make in digital download form, and you can get some really stunning images made with AI nowadays for this style of artwork. And if you just take a look at this set of prints here, guys, on my screen, you can see it's made over 718 sales on Etsy in just 9 months, predominantly during last fall's Q4 period. And, you know, when being sold at over $10 for a digital product, that's pretty good if you ask me. And then, of course, guys, I'm going to show you how to make this. So if you wanted to make a more minimalist style of wall art, just like this one here on the screen, which, to be honest, is probably more in my style anyway, then use this prompt, which I'm going to flash up. Again, just feel free to pause if you want to use it. And then I'll show you now what this looks like on KITTL using the exact same prompt, which again, I think is pretty decent. And guys, of course, this one's a bit different to the clip art. So of course you're going to want to mock it up to actually make it look much more appealing. And so to do this cheap, quick, easy, you can actually just use the mock-up feature on KITTL that's already built in, and you can just do it directly from there, just saving a bit of time so that, you know, you don't have to go on Etsy and actually buy mock-ups if you didn't want to go down that route. But yeah, Christmas digital wall art, it's always a good one year on year. But let's move on to the next product now, guys. And this is going to be wrapping paper patterns. So you could also see this one referred to, guys, as seamless patterns or digital papers on Etsy sometimes as well. But what is it, guys? Essentially, it's just a Christmas pattern that's a digital download that people can use for whatever use case they want, to be honest. But more often than not, printed out as wrapping paper. And these digital products actually print money, if you pardon the pun. And they do tend to work great in a number of different styles. So just like this boho one here, which has made 334 sales in 10 months, or a more traditional sort of style, which has made 57 sales in 8 months. And guys, if any of you wanted to make a Christmas pattern like this one here, then I'll put a prompt on screen, which I personally found and used for it. And again, just feel free to copy and use it if you wish. And then what you want to do on KITTL this time, guys, is just paste it in and use this built-in pattern feature. This is going to create a seamless pattern at a single click of a button, which is very impressive. And as you can see, guys, that's a pretty decent Christmas pattern here. You can just go over and do this again and again and again for loads of different styles. Make your whole pattern pack, just so that you're adding a bit more value than just a single pattern. But yeah, highly recommend it, guys. And just on that, KITTL is a program which I do rank very highly myself because of features like this. And I know that it's one that a lot of you guys also quite like. I see it in the comments quite a lot. And I also know it's a program that a lot of you guys do use and love as well. So just quickly, if you're new to KITTL, guys, they do have a really high quality AI image generation built in. To be honest, I've done a lot of comparisons. Some of the most cost effective tokens around. You've already seen the built-in pattern making feature I've shown you, and the mock-up feature as well that's also built in. But another thing that's a great time saver is that you can also do a lot of tasks in batches, which again, does save a lot of time. Upscaling, removing backgrounds, you know, any stuff like that. It's quite easy to do. And just in general, it's one of the much better apps out there that's designed for business owners. And it's kind of that all-in-one solution, like kind of a mixture of Canva and then a few other AI generation apps, kind of all in one. And I always say, if you're going to have a go at trying to make some money online, then you're probably better off just giving yourself the best chance to do so. And again, I always say use whatever apps you prefer using, guys. But if you wanted to give KITTL a go, just like I'm showing in this video, then I did manage to get you a 25% off discount code. Feel free to hit the link in video description, use the code at checkout, and feel free to give it a try. But like I said, guys, try it. If you don't get on with it, no problem. At least you know for next time. But anyway, let's move on to the next product now. And this is going to be PNG sweatshirt designs. So everyone loves a good Christmas sweater, guys. And I would literally live in mine all year round if I could. But one thing everybody loves even more than living in a Christmas sweater all year round is making money, and that is exactly what these Xmas PNGs do. And again, guys, there is a number of bestsellers on Etsy already, and I will repeat, I am filming this in August, so this is a very good sign. And this particular example here, guys, has already made 84 sales in 8 months, again meaning that probably most of those sales did come in December last year, which is pretty impressive if you do ask me. And guys, if you want to make a design like this, again, it's fairly easy to do so. So here is a prompt I used to create these tree images on screen. And then in KITTL, again, all I did is just went away and plugged it in. And you can see how it came out here with the 3 trees. Pretty nice. And of course, like I said, KITTL is very similar to Canva as well. Add some text, make the text a nice, fancy, Christmassy sort of font, whatever a Christmas font is. And then the beauty of KITTL, guys, again, is that you can mock it up directly in the program, which again, it's just going to save time. So yeah, it's just a nice little time saver there, but a great product to sell for Christmas nonetheless. So let's move on to the next product now, guys. And this is going to be Christmas mug wraps. And so some of these, again, they're already starting to become bestsellers on Etsy, guys. And if we go to the filter section here and we just hit the bestseller button, which you can get as a plugin within my Etsy Accelerator community, guys, by the way, if you're in there, then you can see some really good examples here of the sorts of products that are already becoming bestsellers. But guys, if we take this particular one, for example, you can see it's already made 100 sales. It's a bestseller. And okay, yeah, it is a pack of a lot of designs, but they're fairly simple designs, to be fair, and we can certainly make these very easy. But so we want to make sure we get the dimensions right here, guys, for the mug wrap. So first of all, we just want to go to Printify, okay? And we actually want to get the print area size for the most common 11-ounce mugs, which we're going to be making these wraps for. And then once we've got this, we can just go to KITTL and then create a design file specifically for these mug wraps that's gonna fit to a T. And then guys, what I'll do, this one, it's a bit more complicated. I used a bit more of a complicated prompt on this one, but I'll put it on screen nevertheless. You see it's a little bit of a different structure, and this specific prompt, it's going to give you a great variety of images. So you can actually just keep reusing this one because I've used a few different or statements in it, which gives you a good bit of variety in the design. And then once you've got the prompt, guys, just want to go to KITTL, select the old 16:9 ratio, and then you just want to make a mug wrap out of the image. And as you can see here, guys, the example I'm showing here, it did turn out pretty nice, and it's kind of got that like Christmassy cartoon vibe to it, which I mean, I'll be honest, it's not my personal style, but it tends to be what I'm seeing a lot of the ones that are doing quite well and starting to pick up momentum. A lot of them do seem to be in that style. So just a heads up for you guys. But anyway, moving on to the next product now, guys, and this is going to be greeting card designs. And now, guys, I'm going to be honest, this one I think I see it as a bit more of an opportunity one rather than one that is currently making loads of sales, okay? Because, let me explain. I'm seeing a lot of Christmas greeting cards, like physical greeting cards on Etsy already, making some very good sales. But one thing I was struggling to find is a lot of high quality greeting card digital download templates actually on Etsy. I couldn't find many, guys, honestly. And you know, one thing I always kept thinking in my head is that pretty much everybody who celebrates Christmas that you know, right, we tend to send Christmas cards and send Christmas greeting cards. And I do know that a proportion of those people do actually like to either make cards themselves or print the designs themselves, or just have a bit more play with the designs rather than getting kind of the boring ones that you normally just buy at the shops. So we are talking supply and demand here, guys. And honestly, with just how easy it is to make Christmas card design patterns, just like some of the ones I'm flashing up on the screen here, I think it is worth making a few as digital products, just the templates of them, if it fits in well with your store, and, you know, just test the waters, basically. Just test the waters. And now going even more rogue or more out of the boundaries for the next product, guys, this is Christmas-based mock-ups. And so this is one that definitely sells very well on Etsy, and there is no doubt about it at all. And actually, guys, excitingly, interestingly, whatever you want to call it, this is something I've actually started diving into myself a little bit more of late. So what I actually did, because I noticed a gap in the market myself, I don't know if any of you guys think the same, but I sell a lot of the two-tone colored mugs, and I was really struggling to find high quality two-tone mug mock-ups on Etsy, specifically PSD versions, which are obviously much more higher quality than just the JPEGs. So what I did was order basically just one of each mug to my residents in the UK, and contacted my good friends over at Hex Digital, which is a UK photography company. For my good friend Jordan. Jordan, by the way, you are definitely one of the best photographers in the UK. And what we did, guys, is we just got together, hired a model out for the day, and we just did a full photo shoot, like professional standard photo shoot, all these mugs, because what I wanted to do is just create the highest quality mug mock-ups that I possibly could. Like, I sell mugs myself. I've worked with a lot of you guys that sell mugs. So I know where the gaps in the market are and kind of what current mock-ups struggle with. I'm going to make them all PSDs as well. So again, just the highest quality that I possibly can. And of course, some of them, because we're on the topic of Christmas things here, I did want to do a whole Christmas scene to make some really high quality PSD Christmas mug mock-ups as well. And of course, guys, they're going to be sold as digital products. But like I'm saying, guys, this is something that you could try yourself. You don't need a fancy camera or a fancy setup or anything. iPhone cameras nowadays, honestly, they're so good. You could just order some samples of whatever you want. You know, even if it's like just t-shirts off Printify, phone cases, set up a little scene, do a little shoot, and you could just sell them as JPEG mockups. You know, don't have to do anything fancy. And if you're creative enough to make a good scene that looks nice and appealing, people will buy it, guys. And so, yeah, this is going to be one of my newest ventures. And of course, if any of you are in the Etsy Accelerator community, you would have already seen updates on this, and you'll be getting them all for free. My little treat to you. So if you're in there, guys, look out, because they'll be released very soon. And guys, just talking about Q4 in general, if you wanted to take full advantage of this period and maximize your sales, then please check out this full training module I did here completely for free, because I think it's going to really help you. Otherwise, I just want to say thank you so much for your time today, guys. Take good care of yourself, look after yourself, and I'll see you on the next video. Cheers, guys.